May kita nyo rito, dito sa picture na ito, ako ay sumusumpa doon sa head ng Secretariat ng Ad Hoc Committee for the Amnesty na si Colonel Berbigal. Yan yon. Siya po ay pumirma po siya ng affidavit, si Colonel Berbigal, na kung saan ito, hinighlight ko yung mga importanteng punto dun sa kanyang affidavit na babasahin ko. Among the applications for amnesty which our committee processed was that of Senator Antonio F. Trillanes IV, which was filed on January 5, 2011. I know that Senator Trillanes filed this amnesty application because I was the one who personally received Senator Trillanes' amnesty application on January 5. Before accepting his application, I asked Senator Trillanes to read the pre-printed statement contained therein, making a general admission of his guilt for his alleged offenses before asking him to take his oath for the said amnesty application. After studying the application, the committee found Senator Trillanes' amnesty application to be in order, complete, and in compliance with all of the requirements of Proclamation Number 75, Series of 2010, as well as its implementing rules, particularly DND Amnesty Committee Circular Number 1 dated December 21, 2010. Andiyan yan. Thus, the DND Ad Hoc Amnesty Committee recommended Senator Trillanes' amnesty application, among others, for approval through DND Ad Hoc Amnesty Committee Resolution Number 2, a copy of which is here to appended. So maliwanag na sinumpaan ni Colonel Berbigal na ako ay nag-apply personally at ako ay nag-admit ng guilt at yung aking application ay prinoseso ng ad hoc committee ng amnesty. Tapos ito ay nirekomenda for approval at eventually na-approve.
And then itong si Colonel Berbigal, ano to? Nag-voluntary siya or in-encourage niyo, pinag-usapan na gumawa na ganito affidavit?
She was basically compelled by the court na magbigay ng testimonya. At to be fair sa armed forces, hindi nila pinigilan si Colonel Berbigal. Yung AFP leadership was duly informed. Hindi nag-violate itong si Colonel Berbigal ng whatever chain of command. She followed everything in accordance to the processes.